Ayush Kedwal, the man on strike. The man at the non-striking end, that is Kundan. Looks like it's going to be Shreyas out to bowl the first over. Maybe then otherwise Kailash. It's going to be Shreyas. Sanchit, the Lone Ranger in the deep. All set, yes, show time. Match number 18 being played. Winning the toss, they have opted to bowl first. Oh, what a shot. First ball boundary. Ayush Khedwal is making the right kind of noises. He needs to turn around the corner. He needs to take his game from large to extra large. Well timed and consecutive boundaries. Not consecutive boundaries, but yes, 2 boundaries in the very first over. अपना आक्रामक रंग पेश करते हुए 2 करारे चौके लगे पहले ही ओवर में. Oh yes, Prajapati holds on to that catch with dear life. What a catch. -5 straight away. Ayush Kedwal flatters to deceive. The IPL anthem is an absolute rage around the cricketing globe. Ashish Bhutrada. पहली ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 5 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. टीम की ओनर कैलाश तैयार गेंदबाजी करने के लिए पहले ओवर के बाद 5 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. बैक इन द डगआउट इज आयुष. Very important match for Prajapati. They have played 4 matches so far. This is the 5th match that they are playing. Only 1 win and 3 losses. But 2-3 will sound much better than 4-1. Sanchit is being kept busy. Quite a few strokes have come downtown. Slow to the air. down the leg side wide. It's very prudent that you get ahead of the situation. You got to anticipate what's going to be happening. You got to stay ahead of the situation. The slow you bowl, it's going to be more challenging. The modern day batters at any level, in any kind of a cricket format, they relish the ball coming onto the bat. So whenever you bowl slow to the air, it's always going to be a big challenge. Score after 2 overs, 10 for 1. Sahil to Bhutra. Over number 3 getting started. That's all over. -5. The score coming down to only 5 now. 5 for 2. At the start of over number 3, इस मैच के टॉस को जीता है और गेंदबाजी का चयन किया, तो वाकई में कहना होगा कि अभी तक एक अच्छी शुरुआत प्राप्त हो चुकी है. एक्सक्विजिट के लिए हुनर का कुबेर अर्णव सिंह. There is no doubt that he is a bowling all-rounder, at least in this underarm format. He plays the leather ball, he plays for Payade. Into the 2D declared zone. At the moment, it's a downhill graph for team bounce, -5. The score is 3 for 3. We are into over number 3. Just have a feeling that the team that is ready to play the orthodox cricket will have the biggest chance. आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि 48 गेंद है आपके पास, 48 डिलीवरीज. Even if you keep picking up the singles, that 38-40 is always on the cards. The team that plays orthodox cricket will have the brighter chance. Vikas Gupta, Mr. Experience, the treasure chest of experience, has arrived at the wicket. The score after 3 overs is 3 for 3. Lots of threes. Gautam. Well fielded, very well fielded. The anticipation is the key when you're fielding inside the circle, close in. You got to anticipate the shot. Two runs off the first 2 balls takes the score to 6. The cream of the top order is already in the dugout. Starting on the right note here, selective 11. The three top order batsmen are already into the belly of the beast. They've pouched 3 wickets. This is his favorite shot. Fetching the ball from into the stumps and putting it away into the mid-wicket area. That's a no ball. It's going to be a free hit for Vikas. It's a free hit, so no harm done. Vikas's tenure as a senior player and mentor has been quite fantastic. And he continues to impress one and all. Very strong in the head. A very strong-headed character, that is Vikas. We are into over number 4, 11 for 3. The need of the hour for team bounce is Arnav Singh to perform with the bat. He's got to make a very strong and assertive presence with the bat. Not easy to pick up Gautam with his Chinaman deliveries. He's got that odd action. Not easy to read him. This is what you call snap bowling in underarm cricket. There's so many good left armers here. We've got Aditya Shah, we've got Kailash Prajapati, then this man Gautam. So many very good left armers. Sanchit has been entrusted the job to take the good work ahead. That's a rare miss by somebody like Raut. Arnav on strike facing Sanchit. Definitely was always going to be a no ball. 18 for 3. White ball. Very well done. Shreyans in that key mid-off position. A slightly here and there, Sanchit in this over. The free hit continues. Vikas was in no danger, but the wickets were in danger. And yes, just to remind everybody, please do not keep tapping on the court. We have seen at least 3 batters getting hit wicket in this tournament so far. We are into day number 3. 20 for 3. Over number 5, 3 to go. It's been referred into the box. Every team, whether it be the bowling team or the batting team, you get 2 reviews. नेक्स्ट ईयर से तो वो ओवर रेट का भी रूल आने वाला है ईपीएल में. As a matter of fact, the umpiring standard has been really good. They have been very consistent. The score 20 for 3. Now let's see what the call from the umpire is. At the moment it is 20 for 3. No room for error. No room for error. Especially when it's a do or die situation, you have to be at your very best. You got to play very tight cricket. Put the noose around the batters of Team Bounce. That should be the Mool Mantra. That should be the match template. Go out there and be at your best. Maybe Kailash Prajapati is not that tough taskmaster. He gets very well along with all the players. Welcome to Mr. Manoj Kesari. It's a no ball. It's a free hit now. Where is the free hit siren? A 22. If they can get past that 30 to 24 run mark, Team Bounce will back their ability to defend it. As I mentioned earlier, Team Bounce is the bowling is more stronger than the batting. Back in the nick of time, Arnav very wisely being sent back. Vicky would not have been able to make his ground. Score after 5, 23. थोड़ा सा विचार विमर्श करने के बाद साहिल को गेंद थमाई है केपी ने. It's a no ball. Overstepping. That's a foot no ball. For every no ball, there's going to be a free hit. For every no ball. Never mind how it comes. For every no ball, it's going to be a free hit. Bonus time for Arnav. 26 for 3 at the moment. No harm done on the free hit, and the scamper home for that single. Very well judged by Vicky. That call was from Vicky. With that wide run, 30. (31 for 3 at the end of 6 overs. Not a bad score. Not a bad score. Looking at the firepower in their bowling unit, it is such a decent score. Kailash back into the attack. Left arm on the wicket. Over number 7 on. Well fielded. Arya. One would have expected somebody as young and agile as Arya to have taken that catch. The youngsters, the young guns need to set a high standard of fielding. Tight bowling. Business-like as always, Kailash. 33 for 3. Good shot. Intelligent shot. A 3D. Declared 3 runs. Important runs. A 3D is as good as a boundary, isn't it? A 36 for 3. The last ball coming up in this penultimate over being bowled by Kailash. The faster one. He fired that one in. अपनी रफ्तार से बल्लेबाज को गिरफ्तार करना चाहा था. ओवर की समाप्ति 7 ओवर के बाद 37 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. देखना है कि अब इस तरह की टाइट सिचुएशन में सुपर ओवर की जिम्मेवारी किसके कंधों पर आती है. श्रेयस ही होंगे. That is no rocket science. It's always going to be Shreyas who's been assigned to be bowling the super over. A good partnership by Arnav and Vikas. Vikas seems to be running out of steam, but he's hanging on. Digging deep. Vikas getting hold of that last ounce of his reserve fuel. He knows that his team needs him at the wicket. All grit and determination. Clean bowled. Minus 10. That is exactly what they wanted. Minus 10. What a turnaround. This is the beauty of the format. So just keep hanging on. लगे रहो, पता नहीं कभी भी मैच का पासा पलट सकता है. Minus 10 will get down the score to 29 now. 39 और 29 सुनने में भी कितना बड़ा फर्क है. Maulik comes into bat. Maulik Patel. Two very senior batters at the wicket. It's a no ball, quite the right call. So 4 runs added. Everything that you score in the super over will be doubled. So sort of a mini comeback after those minus 10. 4 runs have been accumulated back. That is the good news. 10 में से 4 runs तो वापस ले लिए हैं. Dot ball. With that, couple score on to 35. 2 to go. 37 with 2 balls to go. 39. आखिरी गेंदबाजी बाकी है. श्रेयस गेंदबाजी करते हुए विकास को. 39 it is at the moment. Last ball to come. Oh, that's a no ball. Bonus time. Welcome runs. So 2 runs added and a free hit. ये फॉर्मेट में फ्री हिट का ज्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है क्योंकि वो 6 मारने से कतराते हैं. बॉक्स आउट है तो वो फ्री हिट के चलते मैच पलट नहीं सकता है. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए अपने सुनिश्चित 48 गेंदों में 44 रन बनाने होंगे. 44 टू विन. Keur Nagori bowling, the owner of Team Bounce. Amit Sood and Aryan Mahajan. Arya on strike. What smart running. Fantastic running. Each and every run is so vital to the end result. Gone. -5. This is exactly what I meant when I said you got to be ahead of the situation. A little disappointed, a little dejected, but is not showing it because he does not want the morale of the team to go down. But from the inside is very dejected, being run out in this crucial match. But this is exactly what Team Bounce wanted. Shreyas Raut, the captain, arrives at the wicket. Has he arrived at the right time? Only time will tell. They have referred, just confirming whether it's 3 runs or a boundary. Three declared runs. It's a no ball from Keur. Dead ball, complete dead. Three declared runs. The score at the end of the first over is a 5 for 1. They did well to get to 5 runs at the end of the first over after having lost Arya. Not a bad score at the end of the first over, but still lots and lots to do. Over number 2 being bowled by one of the best bowlers in the tournament, that is Arnav. And to negate Arnav, that is a very seasoned and accomplished campaigner, Shreyas. Nicely played, gets into a good position to steer the ball into that backward point area. easily taken that single. With that single, score on to 6. Lots of action happening inside the circle. Those stumps ke beach. That is the war zone. Making good use of the pace generated by Arnav. There is no protection in that area. Just what the doctor ordered. A blazing boundary from the bat of Amit Sood. 10 for 1. .44 is the target. The challenge for Arnav as he moves forward is he needs the batsman not to sort him out. Terrific batting. Commit the hour, commit the man. The score after 2 overs is 16 for 1. What a counter attack by Amit Sood. Somebody needs to do the counter attacking, and he's taken the onus on himself to score the quick runs. He's looking smoking hot. He's looking like a billion-dollar player at the moment, Amit Sood. 2 ओवर के बाद 16 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Looking to take the fight to the enemy camp. Such a refreshing approach by Team Selective 11. When you're looking down the barrel of the gun, you have to be at your very best. They are being thrown to the deep end of the sea. Playing it a little early, and that is why he could not place it. Well timed, well played. That is such a good shot. A 3D. A very important 3D. 21 for 1. He was already on his way even before Amit could give the call. Shreyas had left his ground. 26 पे 1. 27. They are playing to a game plan. 1 ball to go in the 3rd over. तीन ओवर के बाद 29 रन. After 30 for 1. Okay. 30 for 1 after 3. Keoor will continue. That's a no ball. 2 runs added. 32. It's a free hit now. An innings of great character by Shreyas. He's playing the captain's knock very smartly. He's complimenting Amit Sood. At the moment, they are on cruise mode. The challenge for Team Bounce is now to make things happen. They cannot be waiting on the back foot. They got to create those opportunities. They got to take the lead. Time to think out of the box. After that initial burst, Amit Sood is looking now much settled and is playing proper cricket. He started with the cameo and now is looking to play orthodox cricket. So the strategies have changed. After revisiting his strategy, now is playing some orthodox cricket. Is treating the bowling on its merit. 37 for 1. 38. 44 to win the match. One ball to go in over number 4. चार ओवर के बाद 39 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Just a look at Ayush. That tells you the story of the match so far. Well bowled, very slow through the air. Being pressed into the attack, that is Bridge. There was an odd bounce, but well done. He's so settled that he's into a good position to pretty much negate anything that is dished out to him. That is the kind of form that Amit Sood is in. 42 for 1. Only 2 more to win. The scores are level with that single. What a clinical approach by team Selective 11. They have passed the target, but they need to continue. They have already passed the target now. 3 declared runs. An absolute wow winnings from Amit Sood. And Shreyas, as always, exactly doing what needs to be done. 47 for 1 after 4.5. It's a no ball review. Let's see what happens. This is such a unpredictable format. You just have to hang on. Anything can happen. Always keep that professional hat on. Stick to the job. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनुकूल स्थिति में है टीम सिलेक्टिव 11. ये डू और डाई सिचुएशन है सिलेक्टिव 11 के लिए. इसके पहले भी वही स्थिति थी और उस मैच को जीतकर एक उम्मीद अब जाग चुकी है. दूसरी तरफ बाउंस के ईगो को थोड़ा सा ये इस तरह का क्रिकेट ठेस पहुंचाएगी. The bowling attack that they have, they will not love to be treated like this. The key thing for Selective 11 is that they did not let Arnav settle. They took him on. And if you do not take Arnav on, he will be all over you. So the main thing is to take the fight to Arnav. The score is 46. Arnav has to produce some magic here. Declared single. Agla match, Edmonton or Superstars, requesting both the camps to be ready for the toss. Edmonton and Superstars, the match after this. चलिए रुक करते फिर से एक बार इस मैच की तरफ. स्कोर है 49. Clean bolt. As I mentioned that this man has to produce a couple of magic deliveries. A terrific bowler. The young gun, -5. So they get to 44 now. Exactly the target. 44 is what they need to win. So yes, a couple of wickets more and maybe they can get back in the match. You never know. The doors are open. The only way that Team Bounce can stay in contention is picking up the wickets at regular intervals. 44 it is. 44. Scoop. 2 to go. 2 balls to go. Such a good delivery. Absolutely plumb in front of the wicket. The man we're talking about is Sanchit. Such a good over bowled by the champion bowler Arnav. He was right on the money. Unfortunately could not get more than 1 wicket in that over. He bowled at least 3 wicket-taking deliveries. Unfortunately, only 1 wicket to his name. 44. The score is 44. After 6 overs. 6 ओवर के बाद 44 रन है. टारगेट भी एग्जैक्टली 44 का है. 12 गेंद नेगोशिएट करना बाकी है. The half chances have to be converted. मौका बना था. Two dots. और फील्ड तो सेट की लेग साइड भी और शायद माइंड गेम खेल रहे थे. थोड़ा सा सोचने पे मजबूर कर रहे थे बल्लेबाज को कि लेग स्टंप की लाइन होगी, गेंद की ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर. He was right up to it, the kind of form that is in. 46 the score at the moment. 46. At the moment he can do nothing wrong, Amit Sood. It's been a 24-carat gold innings by Amit Sood in this very, very crucial match. Definitely looking like $1 billion. The showstopper in this match, that is Amit Sood. They come upstairs. It's been referred inside. It's going to be a very tough needle to thread for team Bounce to bounce back in this match. But just look at the approach and attitude. They're still hanging on. They are fighting. It's not out, yes. ओवर की समाप्ति 7 ओवर्स के बाद रन संख्या है 49 for 2 after 7. मौलिक को गेंद थमाई है. $44 हो चुका है स्कोर. अब 44 5 गेंद नेगेट करना बाकी है. -5 के साथ द स्कोर कम्स डाउन टू 44. रोमांच बरकरार. Will we see a twist in the tail? Amit Sood has only himself to blame. You always got to finish the work that you've started. Never leave the work unfinished. Never ever leave the work unfinished in the game of cricket. That was a terrific innings, but getting out at the wrong time. Gifting his wicket away. That is what one would have to call a soft dismissal. That wasn't a wicket-taking delivery. 44 it is. 5 balls to go. It's all in the mind now. A very youngish player. He's a promising player. Is it Sahil? Yes, it is Sahil. Oh, 45. Four to go. Three to go. 46. Desperate times here for Bounce. They need a wicket. Oh, that wasn't far away from Ayush. That brushed his hands. Half chance, half chance. And nothing going their way. Nothing going the way of Team Bounce. Kailash Prajapati is on a roll. Kailash Prajapati and Team Selective 11 survived to fight another day. One more terrific win. And this kind of a win against a top